Hello guys and welcome back to Oman's Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix Black Ops 6 multiplayer DLC packs not installed. And let's get straight into it. So the first thing you guys can do is right click on Steam, and then you want to click on Properties. From here you want to go over to the Compatibility tab, and what you want to basically do is click on Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, and you also want to select Run this program as an administrator. Now once you go ahead and select those two boxes, go ahead and hit Apply and then hit OK. And then what you want to do is you want to open up Steam. Once you open up Steam, you want to go over to Library, and then from Library, you want to look for Call of Duty. Once you find Call of Duty, right click on it again, and then click on Properties. Now, once this tab pops up, you want to scroll down until you see Installed Files, and then from Installed Files, you want to select Verify Integrity of Game Files. You can go ahead and hit that, and then once it's done verifying, you should be good to go. And I also do recommend restarting your PC. And once you finish all of these steps, you should be good to go, and the error code should be gone. And yeah, that is basically it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.